Alright, so before we get started on the video, a couple things I want to clear up. A, this is a really old vlog, and I took it about like 3 months ago during the winter season, and I'm sick, so my voice sounds weird, and the whole thing just kind of sounds pretty off. And B, I was extremely nervous, more nervous than the truck cleaning video, and that went about as well as you expected. So this one's be even worse, but I really wanted to get it out. That way people could hear the difference between the way my car sounded with the mufflers, the Flowmasters, and the way my car sounded with just the straight pipe muffler delete, that kind of stuff. Okay, so if you're here just for the muffler delete, you're going to want to skip to like the end of the video where I have a smaller comparison. If you want to stay and watch the rest, I'd really appreciate it, but if not, then just go to the end of the video. Check it out. Peace. Today with the Skylark, we're going to be getting a muffler delete over at NorCal Auto. Muffler delete, there's a little things called mufflers. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. No, not angle. So basically what you're looking at, that's a muffler flow. Not really sure exactly which ones they are. The guy who had the car before me wasn't really clear about it. Pretty sure I took some measurements. I think they're probably Flowmaster Super 40s. Not 100% sure, but what I do know is that I want to get them out of there. Yeah, so let's do it. Now, just so we have a point of reference, I wanted to make sure that you guys knew what it sounded like beforehand. So I love this sound so much. My car's awesome! You can see the exhaust, it's so cold. I mean, it's California cold. It's like 35, 40 degrees. God, I can already hear the people from like New York already screaming at me saying, "You don't know what cold is, you don't know what all that kind of..." It's cold to me. I'm from California, and where the car laws are awful, and all the laws are terrible. And the weather's actually pretty good. So, I don't know what real cold is. Normally I put on like music and stuff, but I don't want to get a copyright claim. I really hope you can hear me, because I can't really hear myself.
Turn right onto A.G. Spanos Boulevard.
Jeez, that scared me so bad. Oh my god. It's so loud. That's been like the 4th time I've said that this entire episode. It's already super loud, so I can't imagine what it's gonna sound like with the straight pipe. Not a straight pipe, the muffler delete. I'm starting to realize that my neighbors are absolutely gonna hate me after this is done. I want to do a heavy pull, like at the stoplight when it turns green, but there's a cop right over there, and he's just staring at me, and I feel like he's waiting for me to make a mistake. Because I'm like a young Mexican dude that's driving a muscle car. That's like the holy trinity right there for police. This old man's watching me, he's giving me like a thumbs up. That's the best part about this car, the way people react. Because so many people, this is like part of like their childhood, part of growing up. Some of these old guys had this exact car. And it's fun just to give them a little bit of, you know, nostalgia. It's really fun to do that. Thanks, old man. You're the best. I missed my turn. Hey, red lights.
Turn left onto West Benjamin Hall Drive.
I know. Ooh, I like that. That's a pretty car. That's a Grand Prix. Let's try to see if I can get a picture with it. Yeah, I know the destination's here. Park, and then I'm gonna turn this off and see if I can get any footage inside there. And yeah. I'm really excited because they just took my car in, and I can just hear it like right outside, and it's gonna be great. Alright, so muffler delete's done. Let's see how this sounds. Oh, I didn't even gas it yet. I'm already giggling like a child. I'm in love with this. It sounds so good. It's loud. Yes, I realize it's obnoxious, but I don't even care. I thought this car was a giggle machine before. Oh my gosh. Sounds so good. Oh my gosh, this thing's amazing. The thing is, like, all the dads in this city are just like giving me like the approving nod, and it feels great. Because I know my dad's probably gonna give me the same thing. Because he okay, my dad's a car guy like me, and except he's more of an import guy. I'm definitely more of like a, you know, homegrown American made. That's me. It's all slow traffic, and I don't have a chance to just, you know, gun it. And I really want that chance where I gotta head home because I got brunch. Yeah, the whitest Mexican you've ever seen. I feel like a proud father, and my son just like, you know, he just, I don't know, my son's a good son, but my car feels amazing. All right, so you guys heard it when I was in the car and I was just giggling up a storm, but let's face it, if you're on this video, you really don't care what I have to say. So I'm just gonna do a little quick comparison at the end of the car so you can really hear what it sounds like. Alright, so that's all I got for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. We'll try to make more videos about this car. And yeah, see you guys around. Bye.